same time talk about a big statement coming in from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. She says that she is ready to lead the India bloc, willing to head India bloc if chosen. This is a big statement that is now coming in, saying that if she gets an opportunity, she is ready to lead the opposition bloc and become the face of the India alliance, or this India bloc that is now signaling her intent to take charge if the alliance is given her an opportunity. So the Trinamool Congress chief saying that she could manage the dual responsibility of running the opposition front while continuing her role as the chief minister of West Bengal as well. Now remember, this is not happening for the first time. If you remember, when it comes to Mr. Kirti Azad, the Congress MP himself has cited his opinion, where he said that Mamata Banerjee, being one of the senior most leaders in the opposition bloc, should now become the face. Of course, when it comes to the recent performances that have been put up by the Congress, where did not manage to win either Haryana or even in the state of Maharashtra, there have been certain questions that have been raised within the opposition bloc on the positioning of the Congress party within the India bloc. Let's quickly get in a word from Ritik, who is joining us live right now. So Ritik, if Mamata Banerjee is ready to assume the role as the face of the opposition bloc, what happens to the other leaders? Does it mean that they are questioning when it comes to the positioning of the Congress party in the alliance? Well, bad connection there, unfortunately. We'll just reconnect that line with Ritik. But however, Mamata Banerjee, who is said to be one of the most tallest leaders who had played an important role when it comes to forming the opposition bloc, and is now up to those leading the front to manage it. However, if they can't run the show, then what can I do? Very strong words that have been used by Mamata Banerjee, saying that I would just say that everyone needs to be taken along. However, this is an interview that she's given to a channel, asking that why she's not taking charge of the bloc, given her credentials as a strong anti-BJP force. She says that if given an opportunity, she would ensure the smooth functioning of the BJP, of the India bloc against the BJP. As far as doesn't mean that when it comes to the differences as well, because when it comes to the India bloc, several opposition parties who work together, at least on the national front, because there are several issues which still remain of friction and differences and drift within the blocs, because there are different ideologies. But all of those parties having more faces as their leaders, and they want their own leaders, respective leaders, to lead the opposition bloc. However, when it comes to the biggest party in the opposition bloc is that of the Congress party, and we have seen the difference being quite evident during the current parliament session of the current session of the parliament, when even when it comes to the Samajwadi Party and the TMC have not been on the same page as the Congress.